Hello everyone. Since the same dude who wanted me to teach you guys how to make a mod menu without Discord, he wanted me to teach you guys how to code, pretty sure it was, long arms, pull mod, which I don't know yet, quick game, ghost monkey. Well, ghost monkey is already right here for you guys. So, pause the video if you really want to, and take Ghost Monkey, and right here. So, quick game, probably the easiest mod you can ever code, quite literally. So, quick game is public static void quit game parentheses this application dot quit. And then you put the thing. That's literally a quick game. Like, it's as easy as that. You guys can go ahead, rig your buttons. I'm gonna check what he commented one more time. Ghost Monkey, quick game, pull mod. Normal long arms. I can teach you how to do normal long arms. If you really want long arms. I can't really do normal long arms, so I'll teach you guys stick long arms instead. Because I'll do normal long arms in another video, because I don't really have the code on my other menu, because I'm gonna tell you something, guys. I'm copying this code from my other menu, okay? Because I don't have the greatest memory, but I'm just copying this code from my other menu. Here's my other menu. This is the menu that's broken and won't open in game, but it still has like a whole bunch of code. So, yeah. Let's get to making stick long arms. First, you want to do public static void stick long arms. Oh, I messed up. Excuse me, I just burped. After that, you want to do GT player dot instance dot get controller transform parentheses true dot transform position transform dot position, that's my bad, position equals gorilla tagger dot instance here, hold on, let me make it to where it actually, it doesn't have an error. Gorilla tagger dot instance dot what is it, left hand transform dot forward times parenthesis movement dot arm length. Don't mind the error, I'll teach you how to fix that. Minus 0.917f. I'll teach you how to fix the error where it's where it says that there's no arm length. So in order to get long arm length, you're gonna do public static void, or not public static void, public static float. Arm length equals 1.25f. And this. Now it'll actually have something for arm length. So let's redo this. arm length. And then remove the edge. But anyways, oh, sorry guys. Back to stick long arms. You want to do time. Also remove this parenthesis right here. Time GT player dot instance dot scale. And then you want to do this, and then this. That's the first line of code. What do you want to do after this is you want to do this. And then instead of being left-hand transform, you want to do right-hand transform. Not right-hand, slide's worse. You want to do right-hand transform. And then instead of it being true, you want to do false. That is stick long arms, alright? So you guys can go ahead and make it whatever you want, or like bind it to whatever button you want. But I'll code Ghost Monkey again, just in case you guys, didn't pause the video. So I'll just go ahead and do that right now. So public static void ghost monkey 2 parentheses this, and then all you want to do after that is you want to do if controller input polar dot instance dot, we're gonna do, let's do trigger right controller index float and then we're just gonna do 0.5f, and that's literally it. It already did the IntelliSense, already did everything it needed to, for me at least, because it already had the code to copy off of. So I will put the code in the comments for you guys to just copy and paste, because what these tutorials are for is to teach you guys a understanding of coding. And if you were to go in a Gorilla Tag lobby and be like, hey, I made this mod menu with a YouTube tutorial, people say, well, it's skidding. Tell them it's not, because these tutorials are made to help you understand the ways of coding and how Unity coding works with games such as Gorilla Tag. So if they just say it's skidding, make sure to tell them it's not, because of what I just said. So yeah, we're just gonna remove that because I already have it. And what mod should we do yet? Again, I'm at. Let's do flick jump. So flick jump is actually no. I have a really good idea for force tag freeze. So we're gonna code force tag freeze, which is really easy. Public static void. I'm pretty sure I already have void. I'm not sure if I have it. I'm gonna go back. Force tag freeze. I'm gonna do thing. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it to where it only happens whenever you hold down your trigger. Your trigger. Your left trigger. Left controller index float. Actually, no. Let's do left controller primary, which is I don't remember, but you guys should know. Left controller primary button. So, you know, this just makes it to where if the controller is primary. Let me make sure this code is right. I'll go to another one. Yeah, okay. So now I can just end the code here. Then, what are you gonna do? Let's do this. You're gonna do GT player. Whoa! Where did that come from? GT player dot instance dot disable movement equals true. And then you want to go down to here. You want to do else. I can just go to Ghost Monkey. Okay, so I can just do. Okay. So now it should only work whenever your button is pressed down. Do I already have force tag freeze? Please don't tell me I do. Okay, I don't have force tag freeze on this menu at least. I'm not sure if it's still gonna have the like cooldown where you have it for 5 seconds. But if it does, then that doesn't really matter to me because I'm not even going to be using this menu other than for whenever I show you guys that the mod works. Excuse me, I'm so sorry, guys. Just ate Cookie Crisps. So anyways, guys, that's how you code Ghost Monkey. What else did I code? Quit game, and force tag freeze, and stick long arms. So yeah, there you guys go. Have fun with the mods, and you know, just have a great day. Okay, good. Bye, everyone. Woo!